Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be applying these nails that my mom gifted me by Ohora. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's a brand I worked with in the past, and I'm going to be doing my vacation nails. This set is so cute. It's rainbow designed, and if you never saw these videos of me in the past trying them out, they are nail stickers. They're like gel strips that get hardened under a lamp. So this rainbow set was perfect. It matches my bands perfectly because I am going to Florida for a vacation for a week. So I decided to wear these sets. So I'm just showing you how I applied them. If you want to see past videos of me applying them in full, I will link some videos during this video. I also show in the video of other nails I have tried from the same brand that I got in PR. This set wasn't gifted to me, but the other sets I show was, and I really love working with this brand. I do have a code for them, so if you do want to use that at checkout, I get a small commission and you get some money off your order. So please do use my code at checkout. And here is the finished set. Let me know what you think. They're all different rainbow colors. I tried to do it rainbow as best I could. And this is fresh out of the lamp. And then the next clip will be after I filed it. So I'll show you. Let me give it a second. This is after I filed the set. And they work very good. They harden real good. And here is my second hand. My second hand, I didn't do the two in the middle the same color because I ran out of for the sizes. But you get two strips, so that's really good for like two sets of nails. One strip will go for both hands, and the other one's for another set. So I really love this company, and I was really grateful that my mom gifted me these. And here is some other sets I tried in the past in other videos, so I hope y'all do enjoy it. And I think that's it for today. Wanted to do a quick message here. I am going to be on vacation, so there might be less videos here on this channel, but please go check out my second channel, which is called A Unicorn's Life, if you want to see vacation vlogs or anything I do. I am still going to do Face Mask Friday, but I am skipping the makeup content for this month, or not this month, this week's coming up weeks, because it's very hot and I don't want to really do makeup while I'm down there. So I'm going to try to get content as best I can down there. So I hope y'all do enjoy the videos that do get uploaded. If you haven't saw any videos for the past couple days on my main channel, please again check out my second channel and show it some love. I really do appreciate it. And I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification so you're notified for the next time I upload. And always be yourself, unicorns. Bye!